Welcome to flooringdubai.com, your go-to destination for stylish, durable, and practical flooring in the UAE. Choosing the perfect flooring isn't just about looks, it's about lifestyle, budget, maintenance, and long-term value. In this video, we'll walk you through the best options and help you decide what works for your space. 1. Understand your lifestyle. Start by thinking about your lifestyle. Do you have kids or pets? Is your home busy with constant foot traffic, or more of a quiet space? If you need something tough and easy to clean, look for low maintenance and scratch resistant floors like vinyl or laminate. For luxury and elegance, engineered hardwood or solid wood might be your pick, especially in formal rooms. 2. Match with room function. Different rooms have different needs. For kitchens and bathrooms where spills and moisture are common, waterproof options like vinyl plank or tile are ideal. Living rooms and bedrooms, these are great for cozy finishes like laminate, engineered wood, or even carpet if comfort is a priority. And don't forget outdoor areas, consider textured tiles or anti-slip surfaces for balconies and patios. 3. Budget consideration. Flooring options come in all price ranges. If you're on a tight budget, vinyl and laminate offer excellent style at a low cost. Engineered hardwood is a mid to high range choice, offering real wood beauty with more durability than solid wood. Solid hardwood is premium, long lasting, and great for property value, but expect a higher upfront cost. 4. Think about maintenance. Ask yourself, how much time do you want to spend cleaning and maintaining your floor? Vinyl is nearly maintenance free, a quick mop is all you need. Vinyl is nearly maintenance free, a quick mop is all you need. Laminate and engineered hardwood need regular sweeping and occasional damp cleaning. Solid wood looks amazing but requires more care, especially in humid climates. 5. Design and style. Finally, choose something that fits your interior style. For a modern home, go with wide planks, neutral colors, or matte finishes. Love the rustic or classic look? Choose textured wood or hand-scraped finishes. Flooring is the foundation of your home's vibe, make it count. Still not sure? Visit flooringdubai.com for personalized advice, free samples, and expert installation services across the UAE. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home upgrade tips every week.